Aloha and welcome to this module on testing. Super psyched about this module um, because it turns out that simple unit tests are really simple to do in JavaScript and Meteor. And they provide a lot of value to your application. There are a lot of different kinds of testing, and so what this module starts by doing is giving you a broad overview of all the different kinds of testing, and that's about a 32-minute screencast. But that's very important, particularly because when you go into interviews, you're often asked about testing, and so you want to kind of have an understanding of the fundamentals. And then this second 30-minute screencast goes into how to use two specific packages, Mocha and Chai, to do unit testing in JavaScript and Meteor. I start off by showing you how you can do simple JavaScript testing, and then in kind of a vanilla, JavaScript, and then we talk about the case of Meteor. And there's two experiences that go along with this. One is an experience where you take this old JavaScript program that you wrote earlier in the semester, Ziplist, and you write tests for it. And then the second one is to add some unit tests for the Bofolios package, which is a Meteor-based package. So you get some experience writing a simple unit test, both for regular old JavaScript as well as the specific case of Meteor. I also extract one of the walkthrough screencasts from the Bofolios application and put it here so you can watch that for 5 minutes or so. And then I give you some reference materials. This is the reference guide from Meteor on testing. This is the documentation for Mocha and the documentation for Chai. So all in all, it's a good module. Now, unlike some of my other modules, what I'm doing for this one is a little different. We're not going to have WODs because I want you to be able to focus on your final project for this week, but I am making these experiences available to you, and you'll get extra credit for doing them. So my goal is to incentivize you to go through this material, even though I'm not going to be using a WOD to kind of assess whether or not you've done it. And also, by the way, you will need to do unit testing in your final project. So you need to learn this somehow. You might as well just do these experiences. They don't, I estimate they'll take you 20 minutes each or so to do them, so not very bad. There you go, testing. It's a good thing.